So the news today is that the governor of Rivers State has forwarded the name of a commissioner nominee to the State House of Assembly for screening as commissioner, and this has gotten a lot of persons talking. I just came back from work and I saw the news flashing everywhere about that development, and it's gotten a lot of persons talking expectantly, because it looks like a lot of people were expecting to hear this news from River State ever since. And when the news did not come, people were, asking how the governor is going to navigate without, uh, you know, having a firm control of his administration. And it's like the governor has started having control over certain things in this state. It begins with the nomination of someone and sending his name to the State House of Assembly. And recall that the immediate past Attorney General of the state, Professor Zacchaeus, he resigned not too long ago. And having resigned, vacuum has been created in that office, and it's a very sensitive office in the Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. That's the only office that has been mentioned. All other commissioners are as considered necessary by the governor and then appointed. But for the office of Attorney General, that office has been clearly mentioned in the Constitution as being an office that has to be factored into the exco of government at all times. So with the resignation of Professor Zacchaeus, it is obvious that the nominee of the governor is certainly someone that will be made to occupy the office of Attorney General. So congratulations to him. The office of the Attorney General is a very sensitive office, lots of responsibilities for that office, and therefore it needs a man of integrity. It needs someone who can stand his ground any time, any day, and someone who can tell truth to power, someone who will be able to contend with the several forces within the state and outside the state. And therefore, I am very sure that the governor, upon nominating this person, knows his capacity and capability. And I can only say congratulations to him, Leonard Senior Advocate of Nigeria. Now, lots of persons have spoken about the composition of the House of Assembly as of today. And lots of persons are asking whether the House of Assembly has the power. The House of Assembly, having just 3 persons, can truly screen and then confirm a nominee of the governor for the office of commissioner. And here is my answer to that. My answer is that applying the doctrine of necessity to the situation in Rivers State, a situation where 27 members of the House of Assembly voluntarily defected and went to another political party, looking at it from the perspective of the consequence of defection in the 1999 Constitution of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, and also looking at it from the fact that the High Court sitting in Rivers State recently made an order granting an injunction against the 27 gentlemen from continuing to sit or parade themselves as members of the House of Representatives, of the House of Assembly in Rivers State. Then the doctrine of necessity can be applied to make the argument that the remaining 3 members of the House of Assembly in the Rivers State, can form a quorum and sit down to constitute the business, to conduct the business of the assembly. It's not the kind of situation that the Constitution contemplates. It is never. The Constitution contemplates a situation where the quorum is 2/3 of all the members of the House of Assembly sitting at every time. But the situation has made it imperative for the few members that are left to conduct the business of the Assembly. And that's exactly is what has happened in the situation in Rivers State. Mine is to congratulate the commissioner nominee, and mine is to wish Rivers State the very best as we go about in the day-to-day conduct of the affairs of the state. I pray for peace in Rivers State, because Rivers State is not, it is a very significant state in Nigeria. It's one of the states that is very rich in oil and other mineral resources. I want to see developments there, and I wish all the people of Rivers State the best of time. I wish the new Attorney General the best of time also. He has so much on his hands. He has to stabilize the polity through the instrument of law. He has to do everything legally possible to ensure that the rule of law rules supreme in Rivers State. Many thanks to you for always stopping by to watch.